The engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) model is one of the methods used by the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) to award highway contracts. In this model, a private contractor is responsible for designing, procuring, and constructing the road, while the government maintains ownership, handles toll collection, and is responsible for the road's upkeep. The contractor's role is limited to the construction phase, with no long-term involvement in operations or revenue collection. Comparison with other models, the EPC model is distinct from the Build-Operate-Transfer (BOT) model, where a private contractor not only constructs the road but also operates and maintains it for a specific period, typically around 20 years, before transferring ownership back to the government. During the BOT period, the contractor collects user fees, tolls, to recoup their investment. The Hybrid Annuity Model (HAM), introduced by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways (MORTH) in 2016, combines features of both EPC and BOT. Under HAM, the government contributes 40% of the project cost during the construction phase, while the remaining 60% is paid to the concessionaire as annuity payments over the concession period. Unlike BOT, the concessionaire in HAM doesn't bear traffic risk, and revenue is collected by the government. Defect liability and quality control. The EPC model includes a longer defect liability period, generally lasting between 5 to 10 years. This means the contractor is responsible for repairing any defects in the road during this period. To ensure high standards, the government has increased its scrutiny of quality control tests conducted by contractors under the EPC model. Features of HAM. 1. Funding. The government provides 40% of the project cost during construction. The remaining 60% is paid in installments over the concession period as annuities, including interest. 2. Risk mitigation. HAM reduces risks for private players by limiting their exposure to traffic risk. Payments are linked to inflation, helping concessionaires manage financial risk. 3. Selection of concessionaire. Concessionaires for HAM projects are chosen through a competitive bidding process. 4. Maintenance. The concessionaire is responsible for maintaining the project throughout the concession period, ensuring that roads are kept in good condition. 5. Revenue collection. The government or relevant authority handles toll collection, reducing revenue risk for the private partner. In summary, the EPC model focuses purely on construction, while the BOT model includes construction, operation, and toll collection by the private player. HAM strikes a balance, with the government sharing the financial burden and reducing risks for private players while taking responsibility for toll collection and long-term traffic risk management.